Hello everyone! Today we will see how to paginate the data of a material table in a smart way. To do this, we will take advantage of a paginator graphic component. If you missed my video in which I talk about how to populate a material table and you have not yet used this type of component before going on, click on the link that appears. So let's start right away. I will talk to you about paginator component, how to import paginator in your app, how to use a paginator with example. Hey, stop. Okay, maybe I'm exaggerating. Let's take this one step at a time. Before using the paginator component, it's necessary to transform a data source object that feeds the material table into a mat-table-data-source specifying the type of object that we want to use. So open the demo project and change on init method in this way. New mat-table-data-source, type article, okay. To use the mat-table-data-source in class, we specify this import. And as you maybe have understood, before using a new material component, you must first be imported in the file app.module.type script. And add the mat-paginator module to the import array. And relative import. Now let's integrate the paginator component with the material table of a page with the list of articles. Let's open article-list.component.typescript and add this line to code. Add viewchild mat-paginator semicolon mat-paginator undefined. Let's implement the after view init event handling of an article list component class like this. After view init. Now implement method ng after view init. Okay. So this data source paginator equals paginator. To make the paginator manipulable from code, we define a series of variables to which I assign names that you can change as you prefer. Pay attention that they then correspond to those you will report in the HTML code. So define length equal 15. Length set the size of graphic object. Page size equals 10. Page size set the default number of the element per page. Page index equals 0. Page index set the page to be displayed on loading with a 0. We indicate the first, then page size options equals array 5, 10, 25. Page size option. This array is used by the page size options control to let the user choose the number of lines per page. Then height page size equal false. Hide page size, show or hide the page size option control, and show page size options equal true. Show or hide the number of lines per page, but don't make it editable. And last, show first last buttons equals true. Show for the last button, show or hide the buttons for jumping to the beginning or the end of paginator or pagination, sorry. And finally, last variable is disable equals false. Enable or disable the paginator component so we can control the component from the code. So let's move on the HTML code and add the paginator graphic element after the closing tag of matTable, indicating for each property the corresponding variable defined in the TypeScript file. So mat-paginator, mat-paginator, property length equals length. Property page size equal page size. Property disable show first last button. Page size options. As you may have noticed, for the page size option property, I didn't limit myself to writing the name of variable, but I did more using the ternary operator which can be used instead of if-else statement. In the contracted form, I tell Angular, okay Angular, if show page size option is true, assign the page size option array. Instead, assign an empty array. Hide page size, hide page size, page index, page index. Okay, let's save everything and start Angular application and have a look at the result of article list. Not work correctly. Copy and paste this statement on init ng on init, and now paginator works. 5 items per page, 10 items per page, 25 items per page. I can change item per page 10, 15, 20. Try to change other options of a paginator control. Okay, that's all for today. Like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next stress-free coding video. Bye.